What's up with it? It's your boy JD, aka Ellie4J. Bring out another banger video. Finna go ahead and start this video out with some bad news. I'm just not getting up, so I don't talk about it. My throat's a little dry. But I had to go ahead and let y'all know Big Sexy is down again. Like, I hate bringing videos of her messing up. Like, it just make it seem like she just ragged. I don't like that. But same thing happened. I had to another CVX or a real one. I have no idea how they just really. I'm guessing it just it snapped. I don't know. The boot came off and the grease came out and got dry, and then it broke it. I don't know what happened, but I know the day before I was doing burnouts, but at the same time, like they shouldn't, like I'm not laying down no power like that. Like, to change CVXs out on them 5th gens, like, you gotta be pushing at least about 500 plus, I'm guessing. I think the stock axles will still take 500 if I am mistaken. Y'all can come and tell me for my mirror boys. I don't teach too much, no, but I know enough that I know I ain't pushing that much power for them just keep snapping. So when I had bought the new CV axle a little minute ago, I just got put on. If y'all watch my previous video, well, not the previous video, but a couple videos back, it had snapped on me because the old one, I'm guessing it was just originally time for it to go. So we had got it changed, and now it ain't been a month, and it just already snapped again. So, and I want to say it's been like 3 weeks, and it snapped again. Like I said, glad we got a warranty on it. No, we had went and got another one. I'm waiting my brother pull up, but we finna go ahead and go get another one, like I did, and I'm finna head up to the shop, go and get that fixed. It's gonna be really a little short video. I actually kind of nice. I'm a little mad now because I was like, why does it keep doing it? When I had first bought the first new one, I had what happened? I think it was already open, right? So that was a red flag, but I still know they probably checked their stuff or something like that. But it was like the plastic and stuff was dirty, like it's been dropped, like somebody used it and brought it back. That's what it looked like. So I don't know if that could have been like a bad axle, or I have no idea. So we're gonna put the new axle on and see what this one do. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting tired of putting axles on this junk already, and I ain't do no just put this gonna be the second one on the same side. Like when it happened, I'm like, oh dang, the driver's side went out. Whole time it's just the same one that just went out. I'm like, come on now. Like I was finna video on the record and all that, but like I said, it was cold outside. I ain't too much crowd, just ready to go. And it was from the same spot leaving work. That's the crazy thing. I'm talking about in the exact same spot. Not literally where I had parked it the first time, but it was still me coming from work and it tore again. So, hey, man, can't do nothing but get it fixed. Like I said, I can't be too mad. Just get it fixed. My fault talking out ears out. I'm waiting for my brother to pull up. We're gonna go ahead, go to the shop. A couple pieces might be missing out the video, but like I said, I'm just like, it's gonna be a short video. I really didn't want to bring this video anyway because, like I said, it's making it seem like I'm bringing the same video, but there's no way they actually had tore again. So I'm finna go ahead and just probably fast forward and probably go to the shop and have him judge I'll put it on or whatever. Then I'm gonna see how I drive after that. Everything should be straight and good. So I'm gonna put y'all back on in the seat. Yeah, at least the other joint before you take it out, we done ran through another axle. But I still don't see how this one broke though. Like these are the brand spanking new. Like, I have no idea how this still happened. It's tough. So now I gotta go ahead and take these jump back and go get another one. That's crazy though. Like, look at it. Like the whole boot just. This tough.
Yeah, I put it back on the car.
Yeah, this tough.
You said what?
Man, ain't no sense just looking at it. We finna go and get this jump fixed. Dang. God dang. We got a warrant on them jumper, god dang. It's tough. Yeah. Well, I guess I want to do that. Go ahead and put some slimmer boards on there, but they trying to do. Yeah. God darn. Alright, so we leave O'Reilly right now. We in the him dog right now. Come on, look. We got that new axle, boy. So we finna go ahead and we did the little exchange for it. So we finna go ahead and get that jump put on. Man, y'all, it's like it's always something though, y'all. It's like it's always something. Not enough of it. Let's go ahead and put this seatbelt on real quick. But yeah, it's like it's always something. And it's so crazy to me, like, y'all getting to come and tell me, like, is it cause I'm running 315s? Like, or like, is it just the axle slow? Like, cause like, my boy, one of my boys, he got a gray one. He cammed and everything. He got 305, but he can go 315 if you want to, of course. But like he said, he know people that's running 315s on stock axles. Like it ain't like I'm pushing 500 plus horses or something. It's somewhere near 500. Like I really believe that axle was already messed up or damaged, because when I got actually. Man, I thought that was the truck, bro. I was finna say, hold up. But I wonder, like, when I first got the axle, it looked like it was a little dirty, like somebody returned it anyway. Like it's brand new, but it's like somebody returned it, and like the plastic was it was ripped, like it was open. But the box open because they got to check it, of course, probably. But it's like somebody had it and returned it. So I don't know. They could have been a real probably with a faulty one, but at the same time, like they just shouldn't have did that though. Like the tire shouldn't matter on it, like cause it's gripping too hard or something. Like it shouldn't matter. So like I said, this weird. Like this weird to me. So I guess we gonna see what this one do. Like that's why you buy brand new so you can get a warranty on it. We fuck. I just all the way out here in the silk. Like, well, we don't come out here. Well, I ain't gonna lie to you. If I come out here, I'm going to Holly Spring or something like that. I got a cousin live out here too, but yeah, I don't know where to Mexico. But I ain't gonna lie, I don't too much mess with these folks out here in this part of Mexico though. Them folks roofies out here in this part of Mexico. Them police all gonna run you down out here. So we don't mess with them part of Mexico. We go to the other part of Mexico where it's it's cool, it's safe. Them boys out here, them folks won't give up. But yeah, we're gonna go back to the shop, go ahead and put this gen on. Hopefully this, it's like go ahead, get to work. Yeah, that's where we at right now. I'm gonna put y'all back on, get to the shop. And once again, we got this gen back up here with a brand new gen. Which is still weird. I still don't know why the other gen still broke down. Now we finna hope and pray that this one don't. Now I want a question what Giant Brewer do to this Giant. They got this Giant running like it. Nah. Make sure we clean up under here. Yeah, we still clean up under here. We still clean up under it. Yeah. Alright, so I'm just driving just taking it on drive right now after leaving the shop. Like I said, sorry I missed a couple pieces. Like I said, it's a little short video. I wasn't like trying to bring no video on it. This video I was gonna bring me my brother, he just got the bumper for his car. So we're gonna go ahead and get that put on on the him and so on the Durango. So we're gonna go ahead and get that put on. It's just black of course right now, so we're gonna go ahead and get that boy put on. We're gonna be that. But right now he's driving cool. Like I've been driving cool for right now. Like it drive better. It's crazy. It really drive better than the other one I had on here though. It's the crazy thing. No, say it's cool though. It's cool. I just been driving around just to see what's going on. Like y'all run to these problems. I know I for sure need some brakes. I gotta make the U-turn right here too, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all don't get on me in the comments. Don't try this at home. But for me, you know, hitting the gas, or you know, it's been smooth. These jumbo definitely have been smooth. That's all I've been doing. Really just tapping it just to make sure everything's straight. Like I said, my fault for the scatty, but my fault for the, like I said, the little noise up there. One of my subscribers, I be seeing him. He said try some foam tape for this up here. So I'm gonna try this so he can cushion it so he won't do nothing. Put it in between there. So y'all won't hear all that rattling and stuff. He sounded so rattling. Yeah. But it been cool. No, yeah, like we said, we clear up here. I ain't want to make this video too boring, but I did what it is. Had to down here just let y'all know what happened. This time I ain't posted nowhere. I just mind didn't nobody know what happened. But y'all seen what that junk look like. They junk brand spanking new. They junk broke on me again. Now something ain't right. I'm finna go ahead and pull back up to the house. I'm gonna go ahead and wash them. I ain't watched these in so long. I'm going ahead and wash them. Yeah, I know the holidays coming up with it. I gotta go ahead and find me a fitter with them. Go ahead and, you know, take some pictures on it. You know, Merry Christmas to all y'all, you know. Appreciate y'all. It's my gift right there, y'all. We just hit 2,500 subs. Like I said, we need to hit 3,000 now. Like I said, I ain't know. We on the road to our first we on the road to 5 right now. We half of it now, so like I said, 2024 we going up, no cap. Dang, what they doing? God dang, we ain't even looking. Alright now. Alright now. I'm gonna put y'all back on. I pull back up to the house. I'm gonna go ahead and just I'm really waiting on my brother. He on the way to the house too, so he can go ahead and put his bump on. I'm gonna bring that a separate video, of course. So I'm gonna go back to the house, you know, beam up or whatever. I might head downtown later just to see what this talking about. Like I said, I just been at work. Like I ain't been doing nothing but just at work. So when I go days without dropping, y'all already know I'm really in grind. I'm grinding right now. So yeah, that's all it is. But I'm gonna put y'all back on when I pull up to the house. Yeah, I'm finna go ahead and get her right quick. Cause I ain't gonna lie, she is dirty. She is dirty. filthy. I'm still waiting for my brother to pull up. But don't worry, I'm gonna go ahead and beam up for sure. Everything, I get it right every time. So y'all gonna see the aftermath when I get done with it. Right now, y'all, like, she look clean on the camera, but nah, she dirty. Look, y'all see all in the front. Use some tie shine and everything. I'm talking about filthy. So this is before y'all. Y'all can go and catch the before. I don't know why the camera keep on zooming in. But yeah, this the aftermath right here. I'm finna go ahead and just cruise tonight. Just drive around. You gotta go ahead and take a little drive by yourself. Like I said, it's like 64, 65. Like it feel a little like this just drop top rudder for sure. It like just beaming hot outside. So yeah. Told you, man, this stuff it be making my day sometimes. I come out here and look at this and I ain't gonna lie. No cap. I'm finna go to the gas station right now and go put some gas in too. I'm trying to see if I'm in the video now. Cause like I said, I just brought y'all this video just to see what what's going on. Let y'all know what's going on. Like I said, we broke another axle, so I might go ahead and go get some gas. I'm finna go to the route star, check on them, see what they got going on. It just like I was telling y'all, it just feel like I'm recording the same thing. Like, but at the same time, y'all do want to watch. I'm finna go to the route star. I'm gonna end it then. And after I go put some gas in here, I'm just finna scroll cruise. It feel lovely out here. Yeah, I'm about done with this junk right here. This junk, guys. Dave. He feisty today. He kind of feisty today, y'all. But yeah, he putting their blue, and it blue hard too. It just look purple. All the time, I might forgot to put the first car that paid that cash. These junk finna be so hard though. Them might got to sand it with the red good. You gonna put some rims on this junk? You just gonna keep it like this? He got the red. Screw me up. Yeah. It's the before. Yeah, this the before. Got some more vis in this junk. It's just looking like how I did a couple months ago. Them folks loving the vet. Got the Audi A7, boy. They playing their copyright over, so I gotta put some instrumental on. But it cool though. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I like this blue on this junk. This junk gonna be so hard. This junk gonna be gangster. But good thing it is Dave almost done. Yeah, I'm always get it right for sure. I really want to get some more rims. I know these gonna be curb. Be getting curb rashes and stuff. Even though I don't hit the curb, I just say curb rashes. Really from rocks and stuff. Yeah, I know my mama had curb this junk. I need to repaint that grill. But yeah, this the aftermath coming on. I'm for sure being up. It really still feel good out here though. This just so gangster, y'all. It's just so hard. It's just too hard. But it ain't too much going on up here. They got Tesla Vits up here. Dude down there and he got like a 20. He got a new boy though. This a new one. I don't know what model it is though. I think this the S. I think model S. I think he finna he finna come back and get that junk around. So they do plenty of Teslas. But I ain't got too much going on up here. Ain't too much going on. Wait, he got this boy right here. He got this junk sitting right here. I ain't seen this junk in a little minute. He just be having this junk sitting. I'm trying to get it to life where I can just let cars like this just sit there. I just go fire it up one day like, let me hop in this junk. Like, let me hop in this junk where I can go cruise around. Then he T-top, come on now. Hard to mirror in the city, no cap. Fire. They just coming like fire. That like this. We up here like we just creative. Like that's what I'm saying. Folks be sleeping on me. That's why it takes a guy like me and a couple more to try to put Memphis on the map. With the car stuff, no cap. But yeah, wasn't too much going on. Like I said, just let y'all know what's going on. But like I said, I go ahead and show you. I don't know y'all can too much see, but like I said, it's sitting sturdy up under there now. Like it's straight. It's just making me mad that like I shouldn't have to put another one on there. But no, glad I had got a warranty on it. Glad I had a warranty on it, so it's cool. I still want to know like how did it break again? It's still money coming out of my pocket for tow fees and getting the new one put on. So yeah, the part was still free, of course, because I had a warranty on it, but I still spent some bread. But it's cool though. But we're gonna be talking y'all ears off. Y'all catch me in this video. New to the channel, go like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. We're gonna, for the rest of 2023, let me say this, and we got a couple more days. Like I said, we're gonna have fun on New Year's. Y'all stay tuned for that video. Shoot, hey, we lit. Yeah, y'all new to the channel, go like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. All the above. We're gonna about 2023. Bring you up y'all none but lit content. I see y'all in this video. Peace.